Scientists were shocked to find this in Russia. Russia is always in the news for one reason or another. If there isn't a war, there may soon be one. The country also struggles to make sense of many strange things that happen there. This video shows 10 surprising things that scientists found in Russia. Let's find out. Chandra Lab. In 1999, the Chandra Lab was found in a village in the south of Europe. Researchers say it's a 3D map of the Urals area that was likely made using surveys from the air or satellites. On the map, dams, canals, and dikes are marked, and there are writings in a language I don't know. Researchers thought the stone was 3,000 years old at first, but when they pushed it back and turned it over, they saw that it had seashells stuck into it to mark certain places. Further research showed that seashells were 50 million years old. The Jade Rings of Baikal. In the summer of 2017, archaeologists found a man's and a woman's bodies between Lake Baikal and Orkin Island. The couple was holding hands, and the man was looking at his jade ring. 3 more jade rings were on his chest, and a leather bag with metal tools was on his knees. A 13-centimeter jade knife was found next to the woman's bones. Scientists say the couple lived between 4,800 and 4,300 years ago, during the Bronze Age. However, no one has figured out how to use the rings. Vodyanovo Acropolis. Unearthed was an acropolis that was built 4,500 years ago. It was around the same time as the Great Pyramid of Giza. The remains of people from the Vodyanovo culture were found in the burial ground. According to legend, these ancient peoples were the first cattle breeders and farmers on the Russian plain. They put stone battle axes in their graves, which caught the attentions of experts because of how strange they look. The Vodyanovo culture is thought to have been around during the Middle Bronze Age. There are sites from this time all over Western Russia, Finland, Belarus, Germany, the Baltic states, and Poland. Women were buried with their heads facing east, while men were buried with their battle axes. Mummified monster. This monster was pulled out of the icy ground at a diamond mine in Siberia. It looks like a creature from another world. It's thought to be the remains of a carnivorous mammal encased in the sandy sediment at the mine in Utica. The miners who found it were amazed and didn't know what to call it. They thought it had tufts of fur on its paws and a long spine. So scientists took the mystery animal to a lab to learn more about it. Some people think it's a wolverine, fox, or maybe even a dog. Udygna is known for its huge diamond deposits. Every year, 1.5 million tons of gemstone ore are dug out of the ground there. It was first found in 1955 and mining has been going on there ever since. Russian Stonehenge. Original inhabitants of the Russian Stonehenge, 200-year-old fortress and social center. Archaeologists have guessed that early citizens were from Indo-European civilizations, probably the Aryan race. Strange lights, fog, and other things that have caught the attentions of alien hunters have been reported on the site. A strange and beautiful sight greeted residents of the Gulf of Aden in northwest Siberia one morning. Thousands of natural snowballs on an 11-mile stretch off coast. The shapes range from tennis balls to 1 meter across. A similar phenomenon was seen in the Gulf of Finland in 2014 and Lake Michigan in 2015. Some video findings are explainable, but others defy logic. One such is this strange creature that landed on the Russian coast from nowhere. Conspiracy theorists had a lot to say. Others say it was stuck on a Hawaii-bound plane and fell in Russia. However, eyewitnesses weren't baffled by it because it didn't seem like something that could hurt anyone. Do you think this sighting is worth studying? Could it be another hoax that could be uncovered in the future? Maybe researchers should focus on other important studies and forget about this sighting. Due to the mysterious deaths, some bodies had their tongues cut off and their eyes missing. Years later, Russian authorities resumed their investigations of the Deadlock Pass case and concluded an avalanche caused the deaths. 300,000 years old nanotechnology. In 1991, geologists were excavating a site in Ural Mountain and found several mysterious machines while searching for the gold deposit. The nanotechnology pieces were embedded in 100,000-year-old rock and have various chemical compositions based on their estimation. The largest pieces were made of copper and tin. Geologists said they were unnatural. They initially thought the part fell from a rocket, but a 1996 report ruled that out. The Ural Mountains are full of deep mysteries like the Dilotov incident and other unexplained happenings. More research will reveal the truth. Like and subscribe for more content. We will see you in the next video.